Hello all, welcome back to my channel. We have been doing desserts after desserts for quite some time. So today we have something different, which is a lemon meringue tart. This actually has a tart base, a lemon curd filling, and a meringue on top. We are making mini tarts here, so you can make this 1 or 2 days in advance and keep it in an airtight container. And even the filling, you can make it 2 days in advance and refrigerate it, or you can even freeze it. It's very easy to make the tart base. You just need 15 to 20 minutes. So let's get started. As you can see here, I've taken 250 grams flour, 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 100 grams of butter. You just need to mix it with hands. You don't have to knead it much. It should just look like breadcrumbs. So here you can see. Okay, so this is the consistency, and now you can add 1 beaten egg and knead it. You don't have to over knead it. So you just have to mix everything and make it into a ball. Now you can roll it. So it should be some 1 by 4 inch thick. Now you can use a cookie cutter. I've used a flower shaped one. So you can cut it into small pieces. So you can use a round cutter as well. And with the remaining, you can make it into a ball again and roll it. And now place it in tart cases. I've made very small tarts. You can make bigger ones. Now you don't want the tarts to get puffed up, so you have to prick all over it with a fork. And in a preheated oven, you can bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. It should be light brown in color. So you can see the baked tarts here. So for the lemon curd filling, we have taken 3 egg yolks, 3 by 4 cup lime juice, 3 by 4 cup sugar, half cup unsalted butter, zest of 2 lemon, and 2 tablespoon corn flour. And you have to cook it over a double boiler. You have to cook it till it becomes thick. So you don't want a watery stuff, so that will make your tart soggy. So you have to cook it till it's thick. You may have to cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. So now you can see that it's getting thicker. Make sure you do it only over a double boil. Now it's almost thick and your lemon curd is ready. So you can keep it aside or refrigerate it. Now for the meringue, we have taken 3 egg whites. Make sure you take a clean container without any water content and beat the egg whites till it's stiff. And once it's stiff, you can add half cup powdered sugar. I've also added half teaspoon lime juice. Now you can see that the egg white is stiff. So you need this consistency because you will be filling it in a piping bag and piping it over the tart. So make sure that your egg white is stiff, and once you beat it stiff only, you should add powdered sugar and lime juice, and then again we beat it maybe for some uh maybe for a minute or something. So now you can see that the egg white is stiff. So now you can fill the tart base. Now once the tart and the lemon curd cools down, you can fill the tart base with the lemon curd. You can see it here, and you can pipe the meringue on the top. So you can see how I'm piping it. Make sure you touch the sides of the tart when you pipe the meringue, and you make a peak on top, and you have to you can use a blowtorch, or you can use the broil option or upper coil on option of your OTG. And in a preheated oven you can keep it for maybe less than a minute. So you need the peak to be light brown in color, so that's it. So when that time you can take it out, you can see it's a light brown on the top, and your lemon meringue tartlets are ready. See how beautiful your meringue tartlets are. So please do try it out, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.